Welcome to the How-To video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we will explore together the Implement Profile Management function in the Datatronic 5. By creating a profile for each implement, you save time with each implement change. To access the Implement Profile Management page, click on the menu at the top right of the main page. You will then see the list of all existing profiles. From this menu, you can create, modify, or delete profiles. To create a new profile, simply click on the plus button. A pop-up will offer to duplicate the active profile. Start from scratch by clicking on the red cross. Then, give a name that will allow you to easily find the profile later. Next, you will need to define the implement's characteristics, front and/or rear. To do this, click on the plus button. Choose the type of connection, lifted implement, trailed implement, or trailed implement with trailing axle. In this example, we will choose a lifted implement. Then, define the implement's width and the distance between the tractor and the implement's working area. If the implement is not centered relative to the tractor, such as a mower for example, you can define the left and right offset value. This value corresponds to the distance between the middle of the tractor and the middle of the implement. You will be able to see the modifications on the guidance map. For a trailed implement, add the distance between the hitch point and the implement's axle to adjust the guidance accordingly. Finally, define the activity counter trigger settings. Choose a forward direction and then the corresponding trigger. In this example, the tractor will start counting activity data when it moves forward, and the rear lifting is lowered. If you wish, you can also add the hourly cost of your driver and the fuel price. Depending on the application and the level of correction of your guidance solution, you can add an overlap band so that the system takes it into account in its calculations. You can also add a front implement if necessary, following the same process. Once again, implement profile management makes sense when you make settings in the tractor control menus, as they will be saved in your profile. For example, the hydraulic actuator settings. The plow profile is configured to work efficiently with my plow. And if we move on to the trailer profile, all assignments change and correspond to the configuration compatible with my trailer. This allows you to work more efficiently. If your implement is isobus compatible, the Datatronic 5 will offer to create a profile when the implement is first connected to the tractor. Click OK and give it a name. It will be added to the list, and all settings are already filled in. The profile will be automatically selected each time the implement is reconnected. Now you have discovered all the basics of implement profile management. It's your turn to try.